Hello everyone, this is model number 503, Soil Nutrient Monitor over IoT. First we'll see the hardware part of this project. As you can see here power supply section. We connected transformer here and the converted IC which convert the transformer voltage to 12 volt regulated voltage with this 7812, and this is a 7805 IC to convert 5 volt. Here is a Arduino Uno. Here is a 16 into 2 LCD liquid crystal display, ESP8266 Wi-Fi chip to publish the data over IoT. We read the data in this Arduino and send to internet via this ESP8266 chip. Here is Max 485 logic converter for the NPK sensor. Now we'll see the sensors. You can see here is a NPK sensor. NPK is nothing but the nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. These are the main ingredients required for the plant, and we read these ingredients via this NPK sensor. Another one is a temperature sensor to measure the temperature of this soil, and the capacitive soil moisture sensor to see the soil moisture inside the soil. To check these sensors via variable values, we use the detergent soda water mixture and DAP fertilizer mixture also. Now we turn on the project. As you can see here, it's showing connecting Wi-Fi. Now it's connecting to Wi-Fi. We created one hotspot to give him internet. It's showing Wi-Fi connected now. Here is a value of N, P and K, that is nothing but nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Here is a temperature value of the soil, and here is a SM. SM is nothing but the soil moisture level. So we just remove the sensor and check once. Now you can see here it's N0, P0 and K0 because it's not inside the soil, and temperature is room temperature now because it's outside the soil, and the soil moisture level is 1. It's like almost 0. Now we see the IoT part. As you can see here, data is updating. You can see here just now it's updating. So you can see here the time is 16:46 and here is the current time 16:47. So it's just now updated. This is a web page for our IoT system. All content will be reflect here. Here is a nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium and temperature and soil moisture also. So these all parameters are updated here. You can check also with different mixtures, like first one is the DAP fertilizer. You can see here, we'll put the sensor inside this. Now you can check the values here. So as you can see here, all values are changes as per the mixture. It's uploading to the server. Now check again. So you can see here the values of NPK inside this mixture of DAP fertilizer, and same with the detergent soda. You can check. It's like that. So you can see here the P is high in this nitrogen and K also. So this is the IoT dashboard and this is the project. So thank you.